Preventive maintenance is at the heart of Mapcon and is an essential function for any organization. PMs are great proactive measures that enhance overall productivity and efficiency, as well as greatly reduce reactionary emergency work orders. In this tutorial, we will learn the various ways to dispatch PMs in Mapcon. PMs can be dispatched to employees in multiple ways. For the first method, navigate to the PM description screen and select a PM from the list. Click the Labor tab to dispatch PMs to individual employees in this section of the screen. Labor must be defined in order for the PM to be generated with the planned or scheduled status. Now, whenever a work order with this PM description is generated, the work order will be dispatched to the specified employees. Users can dispatch work orders to an employee based on an individual asset that needs maintenance as well. To do this, navigate to the PM description and select a PM description that is tied to multiple assets. Once a selection is made, click the Equipment, Locations, Cost Centers, Routes tab and select an individual asset from the list. Select Frequencies and then Extended Definition. Select Labor/Charge codes along the side, and then employee selections can be made here. This will ensure that an employee will be notified when a PM work order is generated for this particular asset, rather than any time a PM work order is generated for any asset tied to this PM description. To dispatch PM work orders to groups or individuals, begin at the main menu, open the Work Order Control menu, and select Dispatch Work Orders. This will bring up a list of employees to choose from. Double-clicking a name in the lookup will bring up the Dispatch Work Orders tab. Here, users can double-click the blue field to bring up a list of approved work orders, including ones that were generated from PMs, to assign to the employee. Multiple work orders can be selected here. The lower list will display a list of open work orders already dispatched to this employee. Once all of the work orders are assigned, click Save Record to have Mapcon add this to the selected employee's dispatch list, and if set up, send a notification email to the employee. For these tips and more, check out Mapcon on social media. Thank you for choosing Mapcon.